What are the 7 deadly sins to avoid after a snowboarding accident? The biggest problem we've seen not only in crashes on the mountain, but also in everyday life is people avoid getting medical treatment. A lot of people, they have adrenaline right after any type of crash and they keep going with their daily life. Only days later or even weeks later, they decide it's necessary to get medical treatment. The most important thing is to treat as soon as possible. Next, a lot of people try to negotiate with an insurance company by themselves. Insurance adjusters will try to lowball you, trying to give as little money as possible to make the problem go away for their insured. It is so important that you contact an attorney as soon as possible once you get an offer, because attorneys who have navigated these situations before can help negotiate with experience. Third, throwing away any evidence, whether it's pictures that get deleted, whether it's report that get tossed aside, whether it's contact information that simply gets lost. All of this is so instrumental throughout each and every step of the process. 4, saying you're fine even if you're still hurt. Whether it's a migraine, whether it's a small back pain, whether it's a shoulder tension. Every injury that did not exist before the crash that exists now is so important to write down and note through each step through this process. Ignoring your doctors. After you seek medical treatment, it is instrumental to make sure that you follow doctor's orders, whether that's getting an x-ray, whether it's getting an MRI, whether it's going to more medical providers. You need to follow doctor's orders, not talking to an attorney. Lawyers who have been through this process know how it goes. They deal with adjusters each and every day. They deal with negotiations, they deal with medical providers. So talking to an attorney and making sure you go along the proper route, it can be a make or break deal in each and every case. Snowboarding again if you're hurt. If you truly sustained an injury, it is crucial that you end the fun for the day. Because if you do get back on the slopes, the adjusters or any opposing party attorneys can point to the fact that you continue to snowboard through the pain. These 7 mistakes are issues that we see each and every day, and that is why it is so important that you contact experienced attorneys.